All right, so one of the things we're seeing, and it's really interesting, for those of you that are daily trackers of markets, commodities, you really need to stop that because you will just drive yourself crazy with the ups and downs, the fluctuations of what's happening out there.
He's speaking from experience.
Yeah. You watch oil and I see people post up on Facebook about, oh, oil's spiking and then it goes down. And it's so funny because I only look at it once a week. And as it happens once a week, it's actually been very, very flat for a very long time. If you wait for every production quota, or sorry, for every stockpile announcement to be announced or anything else, you're just going to drive yourself crazy. So just really sort of settle in. We'll see what happens April 17th at the OPEC meeting, and here's where things go. But for right now, a really quick update, starting with the price of oil here. Price of oil is up up to $39.72, which is up from $36.79 last week. That's an increase of about 8% over the past week. The Canadian dollar is also creeping back up there at 77 cents versus 76.87 last week.
Awesome. Number of listings, both up. Metro Calgary, 6,384 versus 6,210 last week. In Red Deer, those numbers are 625 versus 608. And I want to pause, and you need to help me out in case I'm saying this wrong, but we've been doing some tracking for our local realtors and our Red Deer office. And on a per realtor basis, they are beating the other leading local franchises on productivity by 52%.
Yeah, that's exactly right. On deals per agent, we got about a dozen of them up there. They are absolutely killing it.
Absolutely killing it. So we just got those numbers in, so that was important to mention.
Yeah. Congratulations to the Red Deer crew. We got such a dynamic group of people up there, and they are just murdering it. And we got the Remax is there, LePage, Century 21, all of them are popular. So congratulations to you Red Deer guys. You are bucking any trends that are happening. And Red Deer is still staying strong, but you're just killing it. Yeah,
very
absolutely.
Cool.
As far as Calgary's months of inventories go and our absorption rates, we had this glorious moment last week where we dipped back into a balanced market overall, and now we're just hovering on the upper side of it being a buyer's market still with 4.01 months of inventory. Obviously a balanced market, us being 2 to 4 months. Single-family homes still sitting in balanced territory, 3.16 months of inventory. Obviously, that's price range dependent, but there's still a lot of homes. We hear all these competing offers happening. Our realtors talking about it, and anywhere below pretty much 550.
And busy open houses, too.
Busy open houses.
The Banter on our agent's Facebook page is busy open houses, which is super cool.
Weather's been great. We see people actually getting ready for the spring marketplace. And condos, obviously, slowing things down a little bit here at 5.95 months of inventory, sitting in a balanced market as well.
Looking at our surrounding areas where we have our offices, Okotoks is sitting at 4.74, Airdrie 4.03, Cochrane and Strathmore a bit higher, Cochrane 7.43, Strathmore kind of consistent at 7.42, and Red Deer is 5.04. And our benchmark price right now is $442,800.
Speaking of volatility, when we look at what is happening in the news, U.S. crude stockpiles fell by 5 million barrels, which is why the announcement was, or why oil rallied last week. Analysts expected it to increase by 3.2 million barrels. And then over the weekend, they said that Iraq was at record production, so then we do expect oil today to probably move back down again. And it's just, you will drive yourself crazy again. So you know what, let's just look and see what happens. OPEC is meeting April 17th. That'll be a big meeting for Calgary to determine Keystone should be back online after being shut down for a while. So we'll see. You know what, the market is happening out there. We see huge, strong signs of having a great spring market. So overall, it's people are still buying and selling homes, and we're excited about what's to come.
Totally.
Yeah.